download this to my computer. Okay, so okay, okay. Thank you very much for your kind participations. We have 31 members for this demonstration. Okay, uh, I will start with my personal profile. Okay, then you can understand about me. Okay, then I will proceed with the technical part of the software. Okay, then we will discuss about our classes. Uh, I will share my screen. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. We'll start from the beginning. Okay, so this is my regional representative certificate. Okay, I'm the country manager of CubiCost ID software in UAE, direct employee of Gordon, and have done a lot of CPD sessions. This is one CPD session I have done for IIESL, okay, Engineers Association of UAE, with regards to building information modeling. And this is one CPD session I have done for SLQS Oman, professional body for Sri Lankan quantity surveys in Oman. It's a great opportunity for me. And this is CPD session I have done for Cyber Quantity Survey Sri Lanka. And this is the first ever team competition organized in Sri Lanka. I organized this with Kotalawala Defense University. And you can see this is another CPD session I have done for IQSSL. And this is for cyber quantity surveys again. And I'm the VPPR of IQSSL Toastmasters Club, and I have won several awards for the club. And this is another training session. This is a milestone of my quantity surveying career, again, and teaching career, absolutely. So I was privileged to train the um, lecturers at University of Moratuwa. Okay, you can see Suranga Jayasena sir and Udayangani madam and all other lecturers at University of Moratuwa. And this is physical training for VICM consultants. This is IJVR evaluation firm. And this is Sunken Overseas Sri Lanka. And this is construction cost management services. And this is I think I have trained almost all the quantity surveying consultancy from in Sri Lanka. You can see Sri Lanka Army, ICC, QServe, CLAG, SEC, Moonstone, VForm, Value Management Services. Okay, I have trained thousands of people. And this is CubiCost 5D Beam online training program. Okay, this is the first session, I guess. And this is some physical training I have done in Oman. And this is company visit with the Gordon officials. You can see Mr. Waturo Matsumoto. Okay, so he is the vice president of Gordon company. Okay, so he previously worked in Panasonic Thailand as vice president. And this is China State UAE tender team. I have trained their tender team in UAE. And this is Gleeds. You can see Jonathan Robinson. He is the director of Gleeds in Middle East. And you can see this is the biggest client in UAE, Dubai Engineering Aviation Projects. So I was privileged to demonstrate our software to them as well. And these are some company visits. Relieved UAE. I have trained their entire team. 76 quantity surveys participated for this particular online training. And this is QA software all-in-one. I have trained more than 1,500, nearly 2,000 quantity surveys with the Costex and Planshift, as well as Bluebeam. And this is final year Beam module for KDU students. And this is my Revit and Navisworks course. And this is Gleeds staff training. You can see familiar names. You can see son of Mr. Saman Velagedra, Gayanath Velagedra also participated for this particular training. And this is ACOM. I demonstrated the software for ACOM. It is the biggest consultant, international consultant in the world. And this is Carbon Group. And this is James Qubit training. And you can see this is meeting at China Aviation. So recently, I have done demonstration session for China State Commercial Team, and this is our recent client, Dubai Contracting Company, one of the biggest contractor in Dubai. So now they are using our software. Today, I did this training for them, and this is again China State Commercial Team. Okay, and this is Mirage, cost consultant for MR projects. They also purchased our software. And this is Ministry of Defense Oman. Actually, this is a rare chance. I have done this training for them. And this is Alama Oman. And those are the trainings I have done. Actually, I have done a lot of trainings. Okay, so this is few of them. Okay, so now you have a very good idea about myself. Okay, so let's move to our software again. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. Okay, so I have started working as the country manager of Cloud in UAE in the month of February. Okay, and uh, I have been able to generate direct job opportunities, uh, more than 10 direct job opportunities. Okay, I will share a few of them. Uh, Please give me a moment. I will share them. Okay, okay, I will share my screen. So these are some direct job opportunities. Okay, so you can talk to them in LinkedIn. I will show their uh, profiles as well. Okay, this is Eshan Nakalanka. So I brought him. Actually, he's a very young quantity surveyor. Okay, so graduate quantity surveyor from KDU, Kotalawala Defense University. I brought him just after his university period. Okay, even before he graduated from the university. Okay, just after the university period, I brought him to QA. Now he's working as a senior quantity surveyor in China state. And this is Sandali Supunika da Silva. I think Eshan working for China Railway. I brought her for China State. Okay, now she's working as a quantity surveyor in China State. And this is Suhaimi. So he's one of my student in my previous batch. Now he's working in Land Sterling. And this is Limali. Okay, now she got her offer letter in Alama, Oman, and this is Eldwin. He got job opportunity in Land Sterling, and this is Johan Sudhir. He also got job opportunity in Land Sterling, and this is Vimanshi Ranasinghe. She got job opportunity in China Railway. Actually, these are direct opportunities based on my recommendations. Uh, so Pratap raising his hand. Pratap, yes, you can ask your question. Please tell us minimum configuration of computer to run CubiCost. Actually, if you have,
Uh,
yes, Pratap.
Hi, this is Pradeep calling from Canada. I want to know how can I get the software and how we can use for what are the specifications for the laptop in MacBook? We can use a MacBook.
Yeah, you can
So,
use it in MacBook, but you have to install Windows to MacBook. Okay, so I can remember
spe
Director is Suranga Jayasena, head of the Department of University of Moratuwa. He also had a MacBook, but he installed Windows to MacBook. Then he used our software. If you use Windows computer, minimum RAM is 4 GB. Okay, if you have 8 GB, 16 GB, you can work smoothly. Uh, yeah. So those are the configurations you need. Okay. If you have a separate graphic card, it will be added data attached. But this is actually user-friendly software. No need high capacity computers to run this.
Yeah, but when I studying time, how can use?
I will give you software, okay, for free.
Okay, okay,
So I'm
okay,
not
okay,
sure to share the same software.
okay, 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 okay. Thank
If
you.
you use Costex, you have to spend $15.99. Okay, so there you have to pay that maintenance fee for 1 year. But you can get KiwiCost for free. Okay.
Ah,
Okay. So now I will explain a little bit of software. Okay. So this is amazing software. I will show you the magic. Okay. So if you have a 2D drawing, okay, so you can easily quantify elements for this 2D drawing. Okay, so I have some standard drawings with me. Okay, but at the end, I will show you some real demonstration. Okay, so okay, so if you have 2D drawing, okay, you can import that particular drawing to the software. Okay, so it's very simple. Just give me two. Yes, I will import these three drawings. Okay, you can see this is a structural ground floor plan. This is first floor structural plan. Okay, and you can see the architectural drawings. Okay, so before we start modeling, okay, we have to define our floor heights. Okay, you can see this is our ground floor, 4 meter. Height of the ground floor is 4 meters. And this is our first floor. Height of the first floor is 4 meter. Okay, and we have finished floor level. Okay, 83.4. Okay, I will enter this data. Okay, Mohammed Nafras. Okay, I will answer your question after this demonstration. Okay, please wait. Okay, so I can enter this ground bottom elevation 83.4. Okay, then I can enter ground floor height. This is 4 meters and this is 4 meters. And I have a roof floor. Okay, I will rename it as roof floor. And this is my foundation floor. Okay, so likewise, first we have to give the floor settings. Okay, after giving the floor settings, we can start the modeling. Okay, so this is our structural drawing. I have structural ground floor. I will split this structural ground floor. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, first you have to split the structural ground floor. Okay, so you can have this drawing separately. Okay, so this is your structural ground floor. Then I will go to architectural drawing and I will split the architectural ground floor as well. Okay, this is architectural ground floor. I can easily split it. Okay, this is structural ground floor and that is architectural ground floor. Then I have to define the axis grid line. Okay, I will go to this identify tab and this is my axis grid line. Okay, I will create separate axis grid line for this particular drawing. Okay, so this is my axis grid line ACDE. Okay, and this is drawing axis grid line. Okay, I have to have a separate axis grid line because we have to give grid references with our quantities. Okay, that's why I need a separate axis grid line. Then I will go to this architectural drawing. I will align my axis grid line, drawing axis grid line with my predefined axis grid line. Okay, okay, so these are some basic settings. Okay, after these basic settings we can proceed with the quantification. I will generate columns within 3 seconds. Pick sideline. Okay, first you have to click on sideline, right click, pick label. You have to pick the label, then you can go with auto identification. You can generate all the columns within 3 seconds. Okay, then you can quickly proceed with the quantification. Okay, so this is the newest technological advancement for quantity surveyors. Okay, no need to wait. Okay, you can do everything quickly. You can see all the quantities has been generated. You can see this is the total volume and you can see the area formula. Okay, so it's very simple. Then I will quantify these beams. Okay, again you can go to this identify tab. Okay, then Pick sideline, pick sideline. You have to pick the drawing sideline, then you have to pick drawing label. Okay, then you can proceed with auto identification. All the beams will be generated automatically. Okay, then slabs. Okay, so you have slab label. Very easy. Okay, just need to click on slab label, right click, identify slab, click OK. All the slabs will be generated automatically. Okay, so this is what you have to learn. Okay, this is the future. Okay, if you go to the architectural drawings, okay, it's very simple. Again, the same logic. Pick sideline. Okay, so these are the masonry wall sidelines. Okay, I will click on sideline, then pick label. Okay, sorry, we have to pick doors and windows sidelines as well. Then auto identify. Okay, you can generate all the walls. Okay, this is very simple. Then what about doors and windows? Okay, if you have the doors and windows table, the software is intelligent enough to identify items from this doors and windows table. Okay, identify doors and windows schedule. You can just select one click, two click. Okay, doors and windows schedule. Okay, all the information from doors and windows schedule can be extracted to this software. Okay, so this is the future. This is the future of quantity surveying. This technology is very unique. You must learn this technology in order to become a digital quantity survey. Okay, then you can match these labels with this information. Okay, you can click on this label, then auto identify your doors and windows will be generated automatically. Not only doors and windows, what about lintels? You can go to lintels and you can create a lintel. Okay, sectional height I will put as 200. Then these are the offsets. Okay, I will put 200 and 200 as vertical project horizontal projections. Okay, then it's very simple. You can go here and you can select the model and right click. Okay, all the lintels will be generated automatically on top of these masonry walls. Okay, so this is the future. Okay, what about finishes? You can see wet kitchen, dry kitchen. Okay, there are a lot of rooms. Okay, you can go to finishes. Very simple. Okay, then you can import finishing schedule to this software. Okay, you can go to room and click on finish schedule and import Excel file. Okay, this is the finish schedule. You can define the topics. Okay, this is horizontal waterproofing and this is vertical waterproofing, skirting, and this will be the skirt in height. Then you can click on identify. Okay, all the information can be identified. Okay, then you can put all the finishes. Okay, for this particular wet kitchen. Okay, you can click wet kitchen from here, then you can apply finishes automatically. See, skirting, wall finish, ceiling finish, everything has been done automatically. Okay, so what about this dry kitchen area? Okay, dry kitchen area. Okay, so you can use this separation line to define the dry kitchen area. Okay, this is my dry kitchen area. I can apply finishes separately for this dry kitchen area. Okay, it is very simple. One click. Okay, all the finishes done for this area. Okay, only for this area. So this is what you must learn. Okay, this is the digital technology you must learn. After this, you can proceed with the quantification. Okay, you can calculate everything and you can get all the quantities. Okay, view quantity by category. Okay, so these are the quantities: column, wall, door, window, lintel, beam, insider slab, room, wall finish, waterproofing, skirting, wall finish, ceiling finish. You can get all the quantities and you can check the accuracy of the quantity. You can select element and you can revisely check that element with your model. So this is the first method. Okay, but we have quantity surveys. This is not enough for us. Okay, then I can select this particular wall and I can click on view expression. Okay, I can see all the formulas. So this is a comprehensive quantity breakdown, length, height, thickness. I can see them all and I can see the formula as well. Then if I go to this 3D deduction, I can see all the deductions. Okay, all the deductions I can see. This is the original quantity and this is deducted dough. Okay, and you can see These are the deducted windows. These are the deducted windows. And you can see deducted columns. Okay, so this is future. Okay, and you can see these are the deducted walls, and these are the deducted lintels. Okay, so you can ensure the accuracy of the quantity. Okay, so where we have started our quantity surveying, we have started our quantity surveying by preparing TDS sheets. Okay, we have started our quantity surveying by preparing TDS sheets. Okay, we need length, width, height, and the numbers. Okay, after generating all these quantities, you can generate these quantity reports. You can see numbers, length, width, height, then you can see the volume, and you can see all the deductions, and you can see the grid references as well. You can easily export this to Excel sheets. Okay, so this is very, very simple and very, very quick method for quantification. And if you are a consultant, okay, they are trying to question you. Okay, they are not sure about the accuracy of your quantity. Okay, so you can send this report. This is a comprehensive report of your quantity. Okay, they can see all the formulas in this comprehensive report. Okay, nobody will question you after this. Okay, then you can get all the summary tables. Okay, this is concrete index summary table, and this is overall index summary table, and you can get quantities according to the concrete grade, and you can see a steel ratio table. Okay, so this is the future. Okay, so this is about TA software. If you have any question, please feel free to use the chat box. Okay, that is ideal way. Then I will answer your questions. Okay. Sir, can we have a look on wall quantity and plaster quantity to confirm the columns are added in plaster or separately? Of course, yes, my dear. Of course, yes. Okay. So you can see this is my wall. Okay. You need to check the plaster quantity, right? We can go to this view quantity by category. Okay. Then you can see this is wall finish. Okay, you can check with your model, revisely check with your model. Okay, all the finishing quantities has been identified. Okay, you can check one by one. Okay, you can see the location. See, in blue color, you can see the location. Okay, and you can see these are the concrete surfaces. Okay, those quantities has been calculated separately. Okay, because normally we don't apply uh, plaster for these concrete surfaces. Okay, so you can get these quantities separately. Okay, so no need to worry about the accuracy. You can get 100% accurate quantity from this CubiCost 5D BIM software. Okay, now we have come to this level. Okay, so this is about the TA software. Of course, you can generate quantities for staircase, ramps, okay, steel structure. Okay, this is amazing software. We will learn everything in this training program. Okay, so I will give you a top level training. Okay, I need more quantity surveys for Middle East. Okay, so that is one purpose of this training program. I want to bring more quantity surveys to these companies, especially Dubai contracting companies. Okay, now Alama Oman is our reseller in Oman. Okay, they are introducing our software to various entities. I need QP cost capable quantity surveys for these industries. And recently, okay, I think show I have shown these pictures to you. China state commercial team. Okay, they have more than 200 quantity surveys in their commercial team. You can see me and Mr. Frank did the demonstration for this China state commercial team. If they purchase our software, okay, China state commercial team in Middle East. Okay, if they purchase our software, there will be plenty of job opportunities for QB cost capable quantity surveyors. And yes, um, now we have another software. Okay, I will save this project, our reinforcement modeling software. Okay, I will save this project. Okay, I will save this project 3. Then I will open my TRB software. Okay, I will open my TRB software. This is our reinforcement modeling software. Okay, so this is very amazing software. Before I open my TRB software, I will save this project. Okay, so I can save this project as a TAS model. Okay, you can see export model by flow. Okay, I can click on this export model by flow. Then I can export this model to my desktop. Okay, this is project 3. I will save this one. Okay, then I can open my TRB software. Okay, so uh, I will explain all the theories regarding building information modeling. Okay, so uh, in theory session, okay, I will explain you about the quality of building information modeling. It is interoperable model generation. Okay, you can share models between building information modeling software. Okay, you can open a TAS model from TRB software. Okay, another question. Please show some rebar quantities. I'm going to show you some rebar quantities. Do we get the recorded session? Yes, of course. Okay, I will record this. I'm recording this session. Okay, and I will upload it to my YouTube channel and I will share with you all. Okay, no need to worry about anything. Okay, now I can open my TRD software, our reinforcement modeling software. Okay, then I will explain how to calculate reinforcement quantities by using this CubiCost software package. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, while I'm working on this TRB software, I will show you real-time project completed in UAE. Okay, Carbon Group recently purchased our software uh, in Dubai. Okay, so this is one of the project they have completed. This is the 3D visualization extracted from Revit, and this is the CubiCost model. Okay, Ocean View project. Okay, ongoing project. Twin residential building. One country surveyor completed this particular project in 4 days. Okay, Eldwin. Okay, he performed well in Carbon Group. Then I helped him to obtain a new job opportunity in Land Sterling. Okay, now he's working as a quantity surveyor in Land Sterling. Okay, so if you perform well, okay, I will take care of the rest. Okay, now this is the TRB software. I will open a new project. Okay, it's very simple. I will go with British standards. Okay, we have all the standards available in the world. Okay, we are the fourth largest construction software provider in the world. Okay, so we have a huge legacy. Okay, I will explain all the things later. First, we will focus on the software. Okay, so this is our TRB software. I will go to BIM model and I will import a model to this software. Okay, this is interoperable model generation. Okay, so you can have practical experience. Okay, you can have practical experience with this building information modeling software. Okay, so I think you have some knowledge with regards to building information modeling. Okay, you know some theories. Okay, so you don't know about the practical applications. Okay, so you can have that practical experience with this CubiCost 5D BIM course. Okay, I have some columns. Okay, so you can see I have some columns. I'm going to inject reinforcement information for these columns. Okay, before that, I will import some drawings to this software. Okay, I will go to identify and I will go to drawing manager. Okay, this is my drawing manager. I will add some drawings to this drawing manager. Okay, so stay patient. Okay, so structural layout, architectural layout, file cap details. Okay, I will add this column detail to this software. Okay, you can see all the column details. Okay, I will go to C1. This is C1 You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 60, 16. Okay, you have 6 main bars. Tall steel. The diameter of main bar 16 millimeter, and you have one hook. Okay, and you have links are 6 at 175. Okay, I'm going to model this. Okay, this is very crucial. Okay, I'm going to inject this reinforcement information to this C1. I'll double click on it. Okay, then I will inject reinforcement information 6T16 links are 6 at 175. Okay, R6 at 175. Yeah, well, inject all the reinforcement information and legs. I have 3, 2. Okay, legs 3 by 2. Then I will put press enter. Okay, I can have the hook here. Okay, after entering these reinforcement information, I will proceed with the calculation. Okay, observe. Okay, this is the newest technological advancement or reinforcement quantification. Okay, you can get the bar schedule within 3 seconds. Okay, I can proceed with the calculation. Okay, I can calculate the selected entity. Then I can see the 3D visualization. Okay, I can see the 3D visualization. Click OK. I will click on this one and I will click on Rebar 3D. I can see the 3D visualization of this reinforcement arrangement. Okay, so this is better than Revit. This is better than Revit. Then I will generate the bar schedule. Okay, within 1 second, you can see rebar shape, cutoff length, number of bars, elements, total weight, and all the remarks. Okay, this is the beauty of CubiCost TRB software. Okay, I personally like this software. It's amazing software. Okay, then I will show you how to synchronize this reinforcement information with similar columns. Okay, so you have some similar columns here. Okay, C1, C3, C4, C6, C10. Okay, so these are some similar columns. You can use this sync and you can synchronize all these information with these similar columns. Okay, you can see C1, C3, C4, C6, C10, C11, C15, C17, C20. Okay, this is the synchronization. C21, C23, C25, C26. Okay, click OK. You can synchronize these reinforcement information with the similar columns. Okay, so this is the beauty. Then you can generate bar schedules and you can directly send that bar schedule to your workshop. Okay, you can select them all together and you can proceed with calculation. Then you can see the 3D visualization and you can generate all the bar schedules. Okay, this is the beauty of CubiCost TRB software. Okay, all the reinforcement details you can see here. Then after that, you can go with bar schedule. Okay, and select them and click on print rebar schedule. Please give me a moment. You can select them all. Then print element rebar schedule. You can see the bar shape and you can see all the bars. Okay, and you can see all the information like this. See, position, bar mark, type. Okay, everything you can see here. Okay, so this is about TRB software. Then I will quickly explain you about the TME software, our MEP solution. Okay, so this is next level software, TME. Okay, I will not take much of your valuable time. Okay, I will finish this demonstration within 1 hour. Okay, so I will explain everything. Okay, until I open my TME software. I will show you another project testimonial. You can see this is another project completed by Carbon Group. Okay, there are plenty of projects. Okay, so I have helped a lot of quantity surveys to obtain job opportunities. Okay, through my QA software all-in-one course. Okay, lot of my cost tech students got job opportunities in Australia, UK, New Zealand, and UAE. Okay, I want to generate more job opportunities for my CubiCost students as well. Okay, the difference between Costex course and CubiCost courses, I can generate direct job opportunities. Okay, from this CubiCost training. Okay, you can see I'll start a new project by using this TME software. Okay, this is amazing software. Okay, I will focus on HVAC. Okay, you can see I will open a new drawing by using this amazing software. Okay, CMV. Wait a second. A CMA drawing. Okay, I'll open this drawing. This is HVAC drawing. Okay, you can use several methods to quantify these air ducts. Okay, I will explain one by one. Okay, this is air conditioning system. Okay, air duct. I want to quantify this air duct. Okay, there are several methods. First method is double line method. Okay, this is very intelligent software. Okay, you can click on rectangular duct. Okay, then you can click on this double line. One click on this line, one click on this line. Okay, double line method. One click on this line. Okay, then one click on this line. You can generate duct from these two clicks. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, then I will show you another method. Duct system method. Okay, you can click on this duct system. Then one click on this, one click on this, one click on this. Okay, then right click OK. The software is intelligent enough to identify all the ducts in this duct system. And it will generate a 3D model. Okay, then what about the fittings? Okay, no need to worry about the fittings. You can click on air duct fitting identification and select them all and right click. All the fittings has been generated automatically. Okay, so this is the newest technological advancement for quantity surveys. Then what about these air grills? Okay, before you proceed with these air grills, you can use these layers. Okay, select by color. Okay, I can select these layers separate, right click. Okay, then display identity. Okay, I have separated these air grills. Then I can proceed with the quantification. I can click on air grills. I can click on air grill again. Then I can use this auto identification method to generate these air grills. Okay, identify all the air grills has been generated automatically. Then how to check these quantities? You can change the brightness. Okay, you can see. You can change the brightness. You can change the brightness and you can see the identified elements. Okay, so this is the future. Okay, this is the technology you have to get familiar with. Okay, this is about our TME software. Okay, I will generate the quantity for this as well. This is a special unit. Select by color. Okay, then see, I can separate these elements. Then I can proceed with the quantification. Okay, this is a special unit. Pick device. We can pick the device like this. Pick system text. This is the system text. Then identify. Okay, the software will generate all the quantities for you. Okay, so this is new thing for to this industry. Okay, as quantity surveys, you have to adapt to this technology. Okay, so I think you will join this course and you will learn all these things by yourself. Okay, so this is about our TME software. Okay, if you have any question about TAS, TRP, or TME, please feel free to ask. Okay, please feel free to ask. Do we get recorded session? Today is the demonstration class. This is the demonstration class. Okay, you will get the uh, uh, recorded video. Okay, for this class. Okay, then next week I will assign you the software. Okay, then you can uh, we can do the interactive training. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. I will go to the next part. Okay, I will explain a little bit about the Global company. Okay, I have 8 9 minutes. Okay, I can, yeah, I have 9 minutes. Okay, I will explain about the Global company. Okay, before that, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Yes, if you have any question, use the chat box. Oh, I have plenty of questions. Is this software only for individual user or can be used as a team? How much the purchase price of the software? Actually, those details I will say, please share your email address with me. Okay, then I will share all the details with you. How do we get construction joints quantities? I will explain in the class. Is this software is a part of CubiCost? Yeah, actually, this is CubiCost, TS, TRB, and TME. During the period of this course, would you be teaching all these? Yes, of course. Okay, I have trained plenty of people. I will teach you all these software. Okay, I will share my company email address with you. Okay, if you have any inquiry regarding the price of the software, okay, please send me an email to my company email address. Okay, I'm the country manager of Global. Okay, yes. Okay, now I will explain a little bit about the Global company. Okay, you can see this is our company. Okay, we care about efficiency, cost management, quality control, and sustainability. Okay, and I will explain a little bit about the digital twin. Okay, so we have virtual building and physical building. In virtual building, we do all the things virtually. Okay, we create 3D models in virtual platforms. Okay, we do cost management, we do collaboration in these virtual platforms, and we get important decisions regarding physical buildings in these virtual platforms. Okay, we feed information to the physical building, okay, through this virtual analysis. Okay, uh, in simple terms, okay, we can call it as digital twin. Okay, so this virtual building is a twin of this physical building. And data management is crucial in modern world, okay, in construction industry. Okay, we have data regarding production, technical data. Okay, so we can use this data for quality control, okay, and accurate quantification. Okay, so data management is very important in the construction industry. And I will explain a little bit about the Global company. We have 26 years of experience. We have 370,000 corporate customers, and we have completed 6 million construction projects, and we have 10 million end users. This is very, very big company. And we have 8 research and development centers all over the world, United States, Finland, Poland, and Sweden. And we have purchased a lot of European software, okay, European BIM software to our global company. And we have very strong proprietary 3D graphic platforms. Okay, so we produce all our 3D models by using these graphic platforms. And we have more than 130 software. Okay, and CubiCost software is a few of them. Okay, so we can use our software in planning, designing, tendering, construction, and operation. Okay, and we care about AI development. Okay, so we started with machine learning in 2015. Then we move into deep learning, okay, and generative AI, and we have established AI Innovation Institute in 2024. And these are some softwares of ours. Okay, as I explained, we have more than 130 software. Okay, and these days we are researching about the super brain for construction industry. Okay, so after learning this technology, okay, so you will be a part of Cloudin family. Okay, so when we introduce new technology, we will keep you an update. Okay, so this is very big company. Okay, so our income is $854 million in China. Okay, so we have the biggest market share among the construction software providers in China. Okay, so we have 22.3 market share. Autodesk, PMS, Bentley are behind us. Okay, we have overall income of 3.8 billion USD. Okay, uh, all over the world. Okay, so we are the fourth largest construction software provider in the world. Okay, actually, we are the biggest construction software provider in the world. Okay, um, but according to economic forums, okay, we are the fourth largest construction software provider in the world. And you can use this technology, and you can have common data center management. Okay, through this software package, you can manage all the construction data in one platform. And these are some benefits of building information modeling 5D BIM. You can see one focus integrated digital solution. Okay, all the data will be managed in one platform. Okay, so you can have seamless team collaboration, common data center management. This software is embedded with the measurement tools. Okay, you can generate a lot of smart reportings as well. Okay, there are plenty of benefits of this software, and this is the logic. You can import 2D drawing or 3D model to this amazing software, and you can extract geometric information. You can extract specifications, partial data from these drawings. Then you can use measurement tools and construction information to create a beam cost model. Okay, this is very crucial. And this is the work process. First, software will read the drawing, then software will generate the cost model. Then you can generate reports based on this cost model. Okay, and we have four individual software: CubiCost TES, TABQ, TRB, and TME. TS for structural architecture, TBQ for cost management, TRB for reinforcement, TME for MEP. Okay, and this is the logic. 30 years, 40 years ago, we use physical drawings to extract quantities. Okay, then we use the manual way. We wrote down all the quantities in physical papers. It is very inefficient. Then we moved, okay, our designers moved into AutoCAD. Then as quantity surveys, we moved into PlanSheet, Costex, Bluebeam, and Candy. Okay, then our designers moved into Revit, okay, 3D way of designing. Okay, but our 2D software, okay, didn't provide a better solution for 3D quantification. Okay, as for this particular scenario, okay, CubiCost gave a very good solution. Okay, so as quantity surveys, we also need to upgrade to BIM way of quantification. Okay, so we have 7 dimensions of BIM. Okay, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, and 7D. I will explain these things in a comprehensive manner in future sessions. And you can use CubiCost 5D BIM software throughout the life cycle of the construction project. Okay, at the initial stage, you can use CubiCost software for BOQ preparation and cost planning, and you can use CubiCost software for in construction phase. You can extract quantities for interim payment application by using CubiCost software, and you can do drawing comparison, and you can extract quantities for variation by using the CubiCost software. Then you can use our software for performance monitoring, and you can use CubiCost for in project closeout period. Okay, when you prepare the final account. And TES, DRB, and TMB for quantification, and TBQ for cost management. Okay, so this is a simple explanation about CubiCost work process. And these are some modern buildings. Okay, we have used our own technology for our own buildings. Okay, so these are some testimonials. Okay, so in Asia, CubiCost is the number one quantity surveying software. Okay, you can see some popular names. In Sri Lanka, oldest consultancy firm QServe use our software, and ICC, okay, most successful contractor, ICC, use our software as their cost management solution. Apart from that, Sunken Overseas, okay, CMS, yeah, there's plenty of companies use our software. And these are some testimonies from Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines. And these are some testimonials from India. Okay. And these are some Middle East clients. You can see Mirage. They are the cost consultant for MR projects, Land Sterling. They are the cost consultant for Damar projects. You can see Carbon Group and DCC, Dubai Contracting Company, China State, China Railway, Intermars, a lot of consultants and contractors use our software in Middle East region. And some companies, okay, so this is the biggest airport project in Vietnam, okay. Contractors, consultants, and the client use CubiCost as the default software. Okay, they had come to an agreement. They are using our software as the default software, and these are some international project testimonials. Okay, so there are plenty of them. Okay, and after finishing this training, you will get a world recognized certificate. Okay, so we have memorandum of understanding with RICS. Okay, so you will get a world recognized certificate after finishing your course. Okay. Okay, guys. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. In terms of, I have given my email address to you. Okay, if you have any queries regarding price of the software, please feel free to send me an email. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, I'm going to end this session. Okay, before I end this session, okay, I will give you some insights. Okay, about future of quantity survey. Okay, if you are a quantity survey, you have to be futuristic. Okay, this is the metaverse. Okay, a new concept introduced by Facebook company. Okay, so world is moving to virtual reality and augmented reality. Okay, as quantity surveys, we have to upgrade ourselves. Okay, and this is the line project. They will definitely use building information modeling for this line project. So as a quantity surveys, we have to upgrade ourselves. And this is the ring project in Dubai. They will definitely use building information modeling for this ring project. Okay, so very important to learn BEAM in order to obtain job opportunities in these kind of projects. And in year 2030, okay, there will be uh, Olympic in Australia. Okay, so nowadays uh, they are recruiting some quantity surveys from all over the world. Okay, this is Brisbane Olympic. If you want to obtain job opportunities in these projects, okay, in these projects, okay, you have to upgrade yourselves with building information modeling. And this is the port city project in Sri Lanka. I have high hopes in this particular project. So when I was in Sri Lanka, I heard that Thaise used build separate had separate BIM team for this particular project. Okay, so if you learn BIM, you can easily obtain opportunities in this project as well. So if you are a quantity survey, you have to think out of the frame. Okay, you have to go beyond the professional boundaries. Okay, some say, okay, if you are a quantity surveys, you have to focus on cost management and 2D quantification. Okay, but you have to think beyond that. Okay, you have to think out of the frame. And if you want to become a success as a quantity surveys, you have to practice mindfulness. Okay, I'm a big fan of mindfulness. Okay, And this is you can see, if you want to upgrade yourself as a content surveyor, you have to learn software. Okay, not only CubiCost, not only Plansip, not only Costex, not only Bluebeam. You have to learn Revit, Bentley, Navisworks. Okay, there are plenty of construction related software available in the world. Okay, please learn these software and get familiar with coding. Okay, it will be important for you in future. So this is also very important. And after finishing these courses, after obtaining knowledge from these courses, you can work in these freelance platforms. Okay, we have Upwork, we have Fiverr, we have Freelancer. Actually, this is a model, okay, created by one of my student, Dulshan Costa. He's the batch top in University of Morocco, quantity surveying department. Okay, and he generated this 3D model by using uh, SketchUp and Lumion. Okay, so he earned a lot of money in these virtual platforms. Okay, think beyond the frame. If you want to market yourself in this industry, you have to have a proper LinkedIn profile. Okay, so I have a lot of students who got job opportunities because of LinkedIn. Okay, so create a proper LinkedIn profile. Okay, I will give you the basic guidance. Okay, and Toastmasters. Okay, if you want to uh, improve your speaking ability, join Toastmaster and practice. Then it will make you perfect. Okay, and creating a proper CV also very important in order to obtain better job opportunity. Okay, so these are some insights I want to give to you. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. How we get software for our training? I will assign the software free of charge. Okay, I'm the country manager of this Cloud Cubico software in UAE. I will assign the software. And VivoBook have given me his email address. Okay, my dear, please copy and paste my email address. If you have any inquiry, you can email to me. So what are the system requirement or specification needed to run this software? Actually, 4 GB RAM, okay, 5 GB hard drive space would be enough. Okay. Okay, guys, now it is 9:12. Okay, I have got 7 minutes more. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, so you have 2 minutes. Okay. There are a lot of success stories. I will show you some success stories. Actually, this guy, Ishana Kalanka. Okay, so I'm really impressed about Ishana Kalanka. Okay, so they have recruited Deshan before he graduated from the university. Ishana Kalanka, one of best student of mine. You can see this is one project he completed recently. Okay, you can see this is real-time project. And they have won the tender as well. Okay, so he did all the quantification. You can see these are some CubiCost model he has produced. Okay, next level. This is another project done by Ishan. These are some direct opportunities. I'm really happy about these testimonials. You can see Ishan Akalan. So before he obtained this opportunity, okay, he has published these Cubicost models in LinkedIn. See, this is another project. Thank you. Okay, guys, let's wind up this session. Okay, thank you very much for your kind participation. Okay, so let's meet in future. Okay, so I hope you all will join to this particular program. Okay, so have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye. Good night. Okay, I will share the recording of this particular session. Okay, good night again. Bye.